I love edition. I add up all my stuff. I know, work. You know what sport this is? Yeah, this is golf. This lady hits a golf ball and she's hoping that the golf ball goes into the hole. Pulling for you, Sally. No, you actually have the ball in the hole. We're pulling for you, Sally. You can do it, Sally. You can do it. She's so excited. She doesn't know. She doesn't know, but we don't know either. So, anyway, all we can do is guess. We don't really know Sally all that well. But let's pretend that Sally loves golf. And let's pretend that Sally likes to collect golf balls. So Sally is playing with one golf ball. That's the only golf ball she has with her right now. Not one golf ball. But she finds another golf ball by a tree. So she has one ball